Today, we are talking about a lens that's rewriting the rules for the APS-C shooters. Yes, we are talking about the 17-40 F1.8 DC art lens. Remember, it's been exactly a year since Sigma released the world's first constant aperture zoom lens for the full frame, which is the 28-45 F1.8 DGDN art. Today, we have the constant 1.8 zoom lens for the APS-C sensor. This is the world's first constant f1.8 zoom lens for the APS-C that covers from 25.5mm to 60mm full frame equivalent focal length, from wide shots to intimate portraits without compromising the low light advantage and the buttery bokeh. A decade ago, Sigma released its legendary 1835 f1.8 DC HSM art. This is an evolved version of it. It not only expands the zoom range to 17-40mm, but also packs in the tech that makes it perfect for videos and photos. Yes, and it's lighter in weight. The Sigma 17-40mm f1.8 DC art isn't just another lens. It's a bold step forward for an APS-C shooter. If you're a filmmaker, a hybrid shooter, or a photographer who is looking to streamline your kit, this one's worth a serious look. Let's talk about the key aspects of this lens. It's compact. It weighs around 535 grams compared to its predecessor, which was 810 grams for the 1835 f1.8 DC HSM art. It has a constant aperture f1.8 across all the zoom range. So having a prime lens in a zoom. Internal zooming, no barrel extension, which is a dream for gimbal balance. And fastest silent autofocus thanks to the HLA tech, perfect for run and gun filmmaking. It's available for L mount, Sony E mount, Fujifilm X mount, and the Canon RF mount. For videographers, focus breathing is suppressed. That means no awkward frame shifting when pulling focus. Plus, clickless aperture ring makes smooth exposure ramps possible during videos. No stepping, no clicks. What about image quality? Sigma using SLD glass and precision aspherical elements here. Compared to the predecessors, chromatic aberration and camouflage are both improved even at the edges. This lens was clearly built for creators on the move. It's compact, it's weather sealed, and doesn't throw off your balance. If you're vlogging, doing document style filmmaking, or just want one reliable zoom, this is a serious upgrade. If this lens intrigues you, do let me know in the comments what you would shoot with this low light beast. Until next time, this is Pramod signing off.